Garmin Instinct 2. With its rugged build, Connect IQ support, and a whole new host of training tools, the Garmin Instinct 2 is truly a second generation device. If you are already an outdoor enthusiast with a long list of hobbies, you will find plenty of features to fit your lifestyle. If you don't yet have a healthy number of adventures interests, this device might motivate you to pick up a few. What's we like in Garmin Instinct 2? Durable design with military grade specs, Connect IQ compatible, packed with Garmin training features, multi-sport mode available, impressive battery life. The Garmin Instinct solar superb location tracking and tough design make it ideal for trail running, mountain biking, hiking and climbing. Even if you can't give the Instinct solar enough sun exposure to keep it running indefinitely, its battery life for outshines any other fitness tracker or smartwatch. If you want to buy this smartwatch, please click the link below the description box. Thank you.